Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the HDMI port module, loosen the screw on the side cover. Lift the side cover off the system. Identify the HDMI port module and loosen the 2 screws. Lift the module out of the system. To reinstall the HDMI port module, place it back in the system and tighten the 2 screws. Place the side cover back on the system and tighten the screw to secure it. Please note, the system will only power on and exit service mode if the adapter is connected. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.